Here's a warm-up routine for beginner violinists. So before you start playing, do this. 5 of the pinky push-ups. 3, 4, 5. This shouldn't take more than 5 minutes altogether. We're going to do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just to warm up those fingers. Now we're going to do some finger tapping. So turn your hand. Start with the first finger, then keep it down. You can repeat it as many times as you want. Keep down the fingers. Now let's do a combination. A little bit faster. Now we're going to do some open string rhythmical exercises with the metronome on 50 beats per minute. We'll start with the whole note, 4 beats. A string. Make sure that you level your elbow with the string you're playing on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half notes, 2 beats. D string. Raise your elbow. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now we're going to do quarter notes on the G string. Raise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quarter notes are 1 beat. And now we'll do 8 notes on the E string. So put your elbow down. And we're going to do 16th notes on the A string. 2, 3, 4. After this, you can do all the scales that we learned so far. A major, D major, G major, B major, whatever you want. And again, metronome on 50, we're going to do simple rhythms first, and then we're going to combine, and we'll be done. So we'll do quarter notes, 1 beat each. A major scale. Eighth notes. You can also do slurs at 2 and 4 notes per bow, like this. And you can also do different scales. Now we're going to combine some rhythms on the D major scale. We'll do quarter and 2/8 notes. Let's do repetitive 16th notes. Repetitive means we're repeating the same note 4 times. And the last one will be 8 note plus 2 16th notes and reverse. And that's a great way to practice your rhythm, your sound, your posture, left hand, right hand, everything. I hope you liked it. Let me know if you try it. Bye.